All right, if you need to print a pattern that is larger than a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we've got our file right here. This is one of our bag patterns, and it's got 4 pages to it. The 4th page is too large to print, so I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to open it with Adobe Acrobat. I already have it downloaded to my computer. If you need to download Adobe Acrobat, you can do it for free, and I'll put a link in the description of where to do it. But it looks like this, and you just hit download reader. You can just get the free version, and it'll do what you need it to. And by the way, I learned this little trick from Bag Buff on YouTube. This guy's awesome. I've been following him for a long time, and I only recently found his YouTube channel. But anyway, he's the one that showed me how to do this, and it was a game changer for me. So anyway, download Adobe Acrobat Reader. And once you've got it downloaded, open the file up with the Adobe Reader. And now we got it in here. You can see we've got page 1, that's a regular 8.5 by 11, page 2, page 3, and now we're getting to the big one. Page 4 is a large file. And so what I'm going to do is hit print, and I don't want to tile all the pages, I just want to do that 4th one. So I'm going to choose the 4th page here, and then right here in this page sizing and handling section, there's an option to hit poster. And if you see the preview over here, it shows how it's going to be tiled out. If you're printing one of my patterns, I would suggest printing one of the first 3 pages first, non-tiled, and just make sure that your printer's set up correctly to print an accurate size. And I've got a little 1-inch box. So for example, right here on page 2, there's this test box, and you can print it out and make sure that that actually measures out to be 1 inch. If it does, you're going to be pretty safe. So again, hit print, select page 4, poster, and then hit print. I'm not going to do it because that's a lot of pages to print out, but once you've got every page printed out, you can puzzle it together on a piece of poster board or oak tag, chipboard, anything that's going to be heavy enough to keep a pattern long term, and use a glue stick, glue it on there, and then cut it out, and you'll have a pattern that'll last you a long time. So some of you know I've been delaying selling some of our bag patterns for a while because I wasn't sure how to execute it. I figured you could always just download the file and then take it to a print shop, and they'll usually print it for like less than $1 on, you know, regular paper. But I didn't like the idea of selling something that requires more work after. So I was excited to find this little trick, and you can now go to our website and buy one of our patterns, and I'm going to be adding more bag patterns as we go, now that we got this all figured out. So go download Adobe Acrobat Reader if you haven't yet, and start making some bags. If you landed here just trying to figure out how to print a large pattern but you're unfamiliar with our channel, welcome. I usually focus on leathercraft related videos, so hit subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in some future videos. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.